Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on Debian 12 operating system. But the process is same for all Debian versions. The prerequisite to install Jenkins is we have to install the Java. But first go to Jenkins website, open browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. See here, the leading open source automation server, Jenkins provides hundreds of plugins to support building, deploying and automating any project. Okay, so click on download. See, this is the site, so click on download or click on this download, both are same. See here we have two types of versions, stable and normal. See, the stable version is 2.4.2.440. okay, LTS. Okay, before that, see here the prerequisites are hardware or software required. Let us review hardware and software requirements. Right click on it, open link in new tab. See, click on Java requirements. See, you must have Java 11 or 17 or 21. So we will install OpenJDK 17. Open terminal. See, I kept terminal in favorites. If you are unable to find, click on search and search for terminal. See, we have the terminal. Both are same. Okay. Terminal. Then install the Java OpenJDK 17. Install OpenJDK by running the command sudo apt install OpenJDK 17-jre headless and hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Java JDK 17. Let us verify the Java version. Java space -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK, that is OpenJDK 17. Okay, prerequisite match. Now go to download and deploy page. See here, you have to click on this Ubuntu Debian on this LTS column, not the normal one. This is the normal, but it is not stable version. So LTS is the stable version. Click on Ubuntu or Debian. Click on it. Now we have to run these commands one by one. First one is the importing. Copy it. Go to the terminal. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now we have to add the Jenkins repository by running this command. Copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. It's done. Control L to clear screen. Next one is we have to update the packages. Okay, sudo apt get update. It is also done. Now we have already installed OpenJDK 17. Anyway, execute this one to install font config and OpenJDK SR. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. It's done. Now we have to install Jenkins by running this command. Okay, sudo apt get install Jenkins. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. I will keep this link in the video description. Okay. See, we have successfully installed Jenkins 2.440. Okay, let us verify. Control L, Jenkins --version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.440.3. If you want to see the Jenkins status, sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is active and running. Okay, and this is the password. Okay, Q to quit. Until now we have installed Jenkins. Now we are going to see how to configure. Now go to the browser, new tab, then give the HTTP localhost 8080 and hit enter. See, we can get the initial admin password by going to this file. Okay, copy this one, go to the terminal, but this is the password. See here, if you even It is also saying we can find the password in the same location. It is also giving the same one. See, this is the password. Even if you want to verify, give the more, then paste that file. But you have to give sudo at the start and hit enter. See, we got the same one. Q to quit. See, if we go up, see, the passwords both are same. Okay, copy it, paste here and hit enter. Don't save. Now see here, it is asking us to install the plugins. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I want to install only this suggested plugins, so click on this one. See, this process may take time. I am skipping this plugins installation process. I will resume after plugins installed. After that plugins installation, we got this create first admin user. So we can give the admin username. It can be anything like administrator or R2 admin or anything that you like. So I am giving administrator only and provide the password. Then give the full name. Then give any email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the URL. If you want, you can change it, but I'm okay with that one. Then click on save and finish. See, setup is done. Click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to create new item, you have to click on here. If you want to see the people, you have to click on here. If you want to see the build history, you have to click on this build history. If you want to manage Jenkins, you have to click on here. Suppose if you want to add more plugins or if you want to see the installed plugins, click on the plugins. See, we don't have any updates, so click on available plugins. See, we have these many numbers, but it is very difficult to find, so you have to search here. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on installed plugins. Okay, see, these are the installed plugins. Okay, now go to manage Jenkins. If you want to add nodes, you have to click on here. Okay, if you want to set up agent, you have to click on here. See, we have different options. Okay, users, credentials, system login, system information. We have the different options. Also, last I want to show you how to stop, start and restart Jenkins service on Debian operating systems. Go to the terminal, sudo system control at the clear screen, sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. We have stopped it. Let us verify status. See, Jenkins service is inactive or dead. Even if you refresh this one, it won't work. See, connect, unable to connect. But when I go to quit, again start it, then we will be able to connect. Just give this start. It is started. Now reload this page. Now it is asking us to log in. So give the admin username that we have given. Then provide the password and click on sign in. Don't say. See, we have successfully connected to Jenkins. Also, if you want to restart, just give the same command but give the restart flag. Instead of start, you have to give the restart. Hit enter. See, we have successfully restarted. Let us verify the status. Control A to clear screen. See, we have restarted Jenkins 23 seconds. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins on Debian 12 operating system. As I told earlier, the installation process is same for all Debian versions. For more Jenkins or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.